Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video dives into one of the most disturbing stories from recent true crime. Spencer Herron, the charismatic teacher turned criminal. You might remember him from the Hulu docuseries Betrayal, The Perfect Husband. So, where is Spencer Herron now? Let's break it all down. Spencer Herron was a popular video production teacher at Kell High School in Marietta, Georgia. He'd even been named Teacher of the Year twice. On the surface, he appeared to be a respected mentor, a band member in the Air National Guard, and a pillar of the community. But behind closed doors, he was leading a dangerous double life. In 2018, Herron was arrested and later pleaded guilty to multiple counts of sexual assault involving his students. By 2019, he was sentenced to 6 years in prison, with approximately 5 years in confinement followed by around 15 years of probation and strict restrictions as a registered sex offender. Where is Spencer Herron now? Soon after sentencing, Herron was released early around the summer of 2022. He is now living under supervision in Gwinnett County, Georgia, serving out his probation. He must regularly report to a probation officer, stay registered as a sex offender, and must avoid any contact with minors. As of today, he remains under the radar, living privately and with no public presence. Spencer Herron's story is a grim reminder of how betrayal can be hidden behind a mask of respectability. Now, as a free yet regulated man, he's largely vanished from public view, and perhaps that's where he's meant to be. What do you think? Should someone with his past stay off the grid, or face more visible accountability? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If this video resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more updates on real case follow-ups. Until next time, stay informed and take care.